Assalamu alaikum class 8. This is your computer class and today our chapter is local area networking. Local area networking. Write the step-wise procedure for installing the network adapter software. This is our topic today. But first we learn about adapter. What is adapter? An adapter is a physical device that allow one hardware or electronic interface to be adopted, accommodated without loss of function to another hardware or electronic interface in a computer. An adapter is often built into a card that can be inserted into a slot on the computer's motherboard. The card adapter information that is exchanged between the computer, microprocessor and the device that the card supports. What is network adapter? A network adapter is a component of a computer's internal hardware that is used for communicating over a network with another computer. It enables a computer to connect with another computer service or another computer server or any networking device over a LAN connection. The network adapter can be used over a wide or wireless networking. These are some picture of network adapter. Write the step-wise procedure for installing the network adapter software. Starting the procedure, open the control panel box from the setting option in the start menu. Double click the network icon in the control panel. Click on the add button. In this dialog box, select adapter from the list and click on the add button. Select network adapter box appear with the list of available network adapter and their manufacturer. This is the procedure of installing the adapter software. And what we done in this class about adapter and what is network adapter and installing the adapter software. Thank you.